stylers, welcome back to a day in the life vlog where I share with you a day in my life at my family home. You guys love the last video and you requested more like this, so I'm going to my family house and I'm just taking you along with me. We're going to cook some food, eat food and enjoy ourselves. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. If you're new here, I am Renee. I do share home related videos, so anything related to the home decor, DIY, makeover, tips and tricks, you get it all here. So I hope you enjoy this productive day in the life vlog with family and just relax and subscribe and share if you enjoy content like this.
You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen, and when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen, and when it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Show your people that me not up yet.
They might hear your voice though. How about they can put a picture to the face?
She not paralyzed. She not paralyzed. You not get up and... Yeah, you not get up and go help you.
Huh? Oh, look at go. Look on the tree. Oh, Cersei. For the Cersei, I take over that tree here. A sweet soursop tree. Ooh. Fever grass. Always have water problem, so you know, say we have to stock up with tank. Ooh. Yeah, the one cut here now. Rain ever fall up here, so the grass can grow very quickly. If you know, you know. You catch when the stove light up. When it catch up properly, Uncle Chef put on the grill. Then he put the chicken then on it. No, say now where you look, boy. Yeah, where this color look sandals.
I am going to fry a lot.
You're not fry fritters.
Yes, I don't know the more.
Share. You're not fry fritters.
She don't really like fritters. She's a picky eater. She don't know what she wants. Only thing she knows that is she like pasta.
Why you drop the porridge upon the room? Because you stretch your plate like say. Now the camera shall follow.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to be. And I sent her, I get sketch. I just want it to steam.
No, but I make it burn up, you know, because then the over there so look like it's a bun. Hear the bite them. Because inside cook already, I just want the smoke to go through it and so you have to watch it. Yeah, I know.
Unstoppable me. Are you ready to see what a woman can do when she believes? I'm shattering glass. The ceiling is way beyond cracked. I am strong and I'm done with holding back. Unstoppable, unstoppable, unstoppable me. Come watch me succeed. Buckle up, cause I'm only gaining speed. Just riding the wave of sisters who stand up and say, bring it on, cause I'm feeling oh so brave. Didn't know when I started anything could be so hard, knocking the wind out of me. But I'm not a giving up, I will fight, not lie and suffer, knowing in time I will heal. Unstoppable me, the her and Hercules. But my power's within where you can't see. It's happening now. Get ready, cause this will be loud. Gonna take back my power and stand my ground. Didn't know when I started anything could be so hard, knocking the wind out of me. But I'm not a giving up, I will fight, not lie and suffer, knowing in time I will heal. Unstoppable me. Now you're gonna see what a woman can do when she believes. I'm shattering glass. The ceiling is way beyond cracked. I am strong and I'm done with holding back. Unstoppable, unstoppable, unstoppable me.
And Otto was out there with a bang, determined to break up the Jamaican 1-2 spring the boat been on.
Excellent run by Otto Young. Didn't get caught up in the hype. Jamaica trying to close out all the hurdles. He wants to go for a medal for him and his country. The hurdle in a mature way. Prince was near to him. And Gordon Cumming kept his cool. And that composure has earned him a silver.
Oh, they say they want it crunchy. They don't like when it's too soft or so. But then kind of peculiar in this place.
For Indian officials for how quickly and efficiently they get the hurdles. Triple jump on the 17 girls final coming up. Also the pole vault open for girls for the first time in the history of the Director Games. This event is being contested.
Taking the lead here by planting the seed and encourage the other countries to do that.
And it makes me happy, then it makes me sad. And I don't know why I always compare myself like that. I'm no icon, but I'm not that bad. Sometimes it's hard to accept where I'm at. Lately I get down on myself all the time, wishing I could change most of the thoughts in my mind. Caring way too much about the people I don't like, watching all the best parts of their life. Now my anxiety is getting the best of me, 'cause I'm starting to believe everything I see.
And it makes me